All right, that is not entirely true. First of all, Bantu is an ethnicity, and I'm gonna break it down for you. In one of my pinned videos here on TikTok titled The Egyptian Race, I break down how the ancient Egyptians identified themselves as Ramech, which translates to people, the people, or Bantu. In the Meduneta, the word for people is Ramech, and the ancient Egyptians called all people of all ethnicities Ramech, just human beings, people. But to distinguish themselves from the other ethnic groups and races, they call themselves Ramech, the same word. So the same word to call everybody people, but specifically they are saying we are the people. That is exactly the same use that we have today in our languages of the word Bantu. There are different layers to the meaning of the word. Yes, simply it means people, but there are layers to it. Let me use isiZulu as an example. The word isintu, it means the way of life of Abantu, the way of life of the people, the culture of the people. Isintu Abantu. Now, it would be grammatically incorrect to refer to any culture that is not black as Isintu. You can't call Indian culture Isintu, even though they are generally Abantu. So this is where the separation is. I understand the confusion comes from when Europeans came and started grouping people into these imaginary groups. But that is not the paradigm I'm coming from. I'm coming from the paradigm of ancestral memory. The last example I want to give is the one of Basotho. The word Basotho, when you listen to Sotho people speak, they refer to themselves as Basotho specifically, but you also notice they call all black people Basotho. The word Basotho also means black people, Runa Basotho. And then you'll hear it in the grammar of the sentence, in the context, whether they're referring to only themselves specifically or they're referring to all black people. So when you pay attention to our languages, you get the philosophy, you get into the mind of our ancestors and how they thought. So even though it's the same word, there can never be confusion when you're listening to the context of the conversation. Bantu is ethnicity. All human beings are Abantu, but Bantu, we are the people. Peace.